Jerk chicken wings in a slow cooker. And here's how to do it. In a blender, add green onions, thyme, chopped yellow onions, add garlic and ginger, scotch bonnets, and brown sugar. Add soy sauce, white vinegar, and allspice. Add cinnamon, black pepper, and orange juice. Drizzle in honey, olive oil, and the juice of one lime. Blend it together and grab chicken wings. Season with salt and pepper. Pour in your jerk sauce. Cook in a slow cooker on high for 4 hours. If you like them crispy, broil in the oven for 7 minutes. Jerk chicken wings. No grill required. Let's eat.